If you've forgotten your password for SoFi Invest or simply want to reset it, follow these easy steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the SoFi Invest login page. Go to the official SoFi Invest website or open the SoFi app on your device. Look for the login section where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your SoFi Invest account. Make sure it is the correct one to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from SoFi with instructions on how to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your SoFi Invest account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoFi's customer support for assistance.